How to turn off stolen device protection on iPhone without Face ID. Hello guys and welcome back. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can turn off stolen device protection on iPhone without Face ID. So let's get started. First of all, go to your settings of your iPhone. So just go and click on the settings app of your iPhone. Now here's the settings, so just open the settings and over here scroll down till you find the option Face ID and passcode. So just click on it. And over here you can just quickly type down your passcode. So let me just type down my passcode and you'll be redirected to the Face ID and passcode. Now what you need to do is just scroll down till you find the option of stolen device protection. Now here you can see that the stolen device protection is toggled on. So what you have to do is simply toggle it off. It's basically used as a stolen device protection, that if a person knows your passcode and still your phone is stolen, then they'll have an extra layer of security. So if you turn it off, they will just remove that security. So what you have to do is just simply go to settings, click on the stolen device protection option, and then you can just toggle it off, and when you toggle it on, it will add an extra layer of security to your iPhone in case if it gets stolen. So that was how you can turn off stolen device protection on iPhone without Face ID. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next one.